All right, we are on what I believe is the last video for this SEO beginners course. Now, I hope I've helped you with the core of things, but the last thing I want to talk about is basically how to get backlinks and the types of backlinks you can get. So I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible once again. So there's two different ways you can get backlinks. You can buy them from people. You can buy backlinks from different services. Or you can create them on your own for free. So there's two different ways. And there's a bunch of different types of backlinks you can get going to your website. So some are spammier than others, and some work better than others. But I'm just going to show you some examples of the different types of backlinks there are and the ones that you can go and get for your website. So types of backlinks. You can get blog comments. You can get forum links. You can get social bookmarks. And you know what? Maybe I'll kind of go over each one of these a little bit. So a blog comment link would basically be, when you can go to a blog and at the bottom it says, you can make a comment. So sometimes if you come here and you say, this was a great post, ... and sometimes you can put your URL in there. Some websites allow you to do it, and then you just hit post comment. And that's going to give you a backlink back to your website. So see, just like that, we got a backlink back to our website by posting a comment on a website. So once again, you want to make sure it's a relevant backlink. I know we went over this in the past videos. All your backlinks should be relevant. They should be high quality, but I'm just showing you examples. So that's a blog comment. A forum link is very similar. There's lots of forums out there. You can create a profile on the forum and leave a link in your profile. You can get social bookmarks. So this would be like your social networking sites like Twitter, Facebook, Digo, Reddit, etc. Right? Though you can get backlinks from those websites. Then another type of backlink is a contextual link, which is basically when you have a link in the middle of the article. So I'll just see if I can give you an example. We type in plumbers in Kelowna, and you come to this website. And you're scrolling down here, and you notice how there's a couple links in the article, how the link is actually in the article. Not down here, but up here, you'll notice there's a link right here, a link right here, and a couple links right here. These are contextual links, meaning they're in the context of the article. They're in the actual article itself. So that's a contextual link, and you can get those from blogs, websites, etc. Guest posting, that's very similar to a contextual link because you can actually go out. So if we were trying to rank for cat food again, you can go out to other websites and be like, hey, I have a great article on how to feed your cat. Would you put this article on your website? And it would be great for your readers. And in return, you can just link to my website. And sometimes they're going to say yes, and sometimes they're going to say no. But, if you get that type of backlink, it's relevant. It can be on a high authority domain sometimes. And, and they'll be willing to put your website in there and backlink to your website. So that's called guest posting. That's another way to get a backlink. Another type is a Web 2.0 link. Web 2.0 are basically free websites. They're basically free blogs that you can create. So Tumblr is a great example. Tumblr, you can create a free blog on Tumblr. You can write an article on it and then link back to your website. This is more of a spammier method. A lot of people use softwares and stuff to create these types of links. So I would be careful when you're doing this and create high quality links. Once again, it's quality over quantity. But just once again, it's another strategy that people use to get links. I want to skip this one for right now. And the next one is citations. Citations are basically used mostly for local SEO. And citation basically is like a NAP. It's a name, address, phone number. And citations are links that you get from websites like Yellow Pages and business directories like Yellow Pages and other business directories because they have your phone number, your address, and your name. So that's what a citation is. There's a bunch of different types of backlinks. You can get backlinks, on your videos. You can post videos and get backlinks from videos, and picture websites, etc. So there's different types of backlinks. So that's why I put, and many more, because there's tons of different ways to get backlinks. But this is the gist of it. Now, the one that I skipped is called private blog networks. This is probably the most powerful way to rank a website, is by creating your own private blog network. This is when you go out and you actually buy domains that have been on the internet for a long time, and you buy them at auction. They actually go up for auction at GoDaddy auctions, and you buy them for, however much they cost. And they already have a bunch of domain authority, and you link them back to your website. And it creates, it sends all that juice over to your website, and it creates a very powerful way to rank a website. Now, I'm not going to get into that because that's more advanced, and this is a beginner's course. But I want to let you know that that's something I do teach, especially in my more advanced courses, that you can buy. But I suggest that if you're a noob, try and grasp everything first and then learn that strategy. But I can tell you it's the most powerful way to rank a website right now is by using a private blog network. And once again, that's just going out, buying your own domains, and linking back to your website. So I do teach that in other videos, but not in this beginner's course. I'm just trying to show you the types of backlinks you can get and why they're beneficial. So once again, that's pretty much all I have for this video. I want to show you the types of backlinks, where you can get these backlinks. You can, there's different services. You can buy blog comments, you can buy forum links, you can buy social bookmarks, or you can go out and create them yourself for free. So you can either go to websites on your own and get blog comments, or you can go to a service like Ads 30, like a service like this, and you can click on blog comments, high PR, niche relevant blog comments, and you can order 10 niche related blog comments for $20. So you can hit buy now and you can get 10 blog comments for your website just like that. So like I said before, you can either buy them or you can create them yourself. And that's the gist of it. That's not the whole strategy for ranking websites, but I'm trying to give you, the basics of, what backlinking is, how to get backlinks. And, if you want to keep learning more, make sure to check out my actual blog and look for some more videos on backlinking, or invest in yourself and buy one of my courses, which will go into this in a lot more depth and give you the full rundown on how to rank websites. So there you have it. That is the last video on backlinking. So thanks for watching this. Stay in tune with Chrome Conceal, because we are doing big things here, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.